So let's move on to the question number 155 of set HH. So the question says that which of the following is correct with respect to the minus I effect of the substitution. And if you see that options are basically comparing minus NH2, minus OR and minus F. So, and in option 3rd and option 4th, they have basically replaced these hydrogens with alkyl group. So basically by R, they here mean an any alkyl group. So if you know, I mean, this is a very intuitive because this question was pretty easy. So nitrogen, oxygen and fluorine are the elements of the same pair, right? And we know that electronegativity, so electronegativity increases along the period, right? So definitely my fluorine is more electronegative than my oxygen than my nitrogen. Now what happens is, since my fluorine is more electronegative than oxygen and nitrogen, it is more bound to pull electron towards it as compared to oxygen and nitrogen. Similarly, oxygen being more electronegative than nitrogen, it is going to pull electrons more efficiently towards itself as compared to nitrogen. Hence, my correct order is going to be this one, which is exactly the order of electronegativity, because increase in electronegativity basically increases my minus I effect. Now, what happens is in option 4, I have instead of H, it has been replaced by R. Now, what happens is, once my hydrogens are getting substituted by an alkyl group, alkyl starts acting upon its plus I effect. Now, if you know that alkyl are very efficient in giving plus I effect. Once I have two alkyl group attached to the nitrogen atom, what they are going to do is they are basically going to increase the electron density upon the nitrogen, and as a result of which this order is going to change. Hence, I cannot follow the same phenomenon over here, because instead of H, now I have R in the, I have minus NR2, and which is in fact a greater minus I operating agent as compared to minus OR. Hence, this order is not correct. So this is the reason that option 2 is correct for question number 155, because simply the electronegativity is highest for fluorine, then for oxygen, and then for nitrogen.
Explore more about the topics you love with Toppr. Subscribe now and keep learning.